Right, so I'm at university right now, and let's just say I'm struggling to stay productive.
Told me, son, you could be anything, long as you spread your wings. I know one day you'll be great. Just wait, soon you'll aim up at the sky, and I'll watch it float away. But now that I am older, I'll admit that I am over all the stress and shit that comes from molding life upon your shoulders. It's a chore. I'm sick of being bored. I'm sick of always stressing over shit I could ignore. I guess it's just my own immaturity burning through me internally. Take imagination and making it a reality. So pause, yo, fuck it, I'll be right back.
Combination of doing my dishes, doing my laundry, cleaning, shopping, going to the gym, going to the lectures, and not to mention the fact that there's a pandemic going on has made it pretty difficult. Oh, my bad guys, I just have to sleep. Give me 2 seconds. Good morning guys, just woke up. Anyways, on to the main topic of the video. We're going to be talking about passive income. In the words of Warren Buffett, if your salary is your only source of income, then you're one step away from poverty. Or, if you don't find a way to make money while you're asleep, then you'll work to the day you die. For me, passive income is something which is really powerful. It means regardless of what I'm doing, whether it be productive or not, I know I'm making money. Also, the idea that when you wake up, you've made money during your sleep, during your recovery, is also really nice to know. It's also especially pertinent to university students who are paying for their degree with no immediate financial gain.
Here we can experience the wonders of passive income. This guy was snoring for 40 minutes during the lecture. Luckily, because he knew he had a source of passive income, he could afford to sleep longer.
And it's also nice to alleviate the sort of financial everyday costs which you incur, such as eating and small things like doing your laundry, for example. It also means when you're in those really overpriced online lectures where the lecturers have no idea how to use a computer, you're making money.
He's talking to himself. I am paying 9k for this. I can't be bothered, man. I just can't be bothered.
Right, so this method is probably going to require you to do around maybe 1 to 2 hours of initial work just to get things set up. And once that's done, you're going to have a sustainable and reliable source of passive daily income.
Right, so as some of you may know, when you live at university, you pay a fixed annual amount, which means you don't have to pay for your electricity. For most accommodations, however, the power draw limit is 500 watts from all sockets. They're not exactly enforced this that well, but this will mean that we're going to be able to capitalize on it to make money, as we no longer have any variable costs. So what we're going to be doing is setting up a cryptocurrency mining rig.
So I want to give a special shout out to Salo Technologies for making this video possible. We're actually going to be using their services later on in the video. I'm also going to be leaving a 10% earnings boost promo code in my description. I'll get to that later on. But anyways, after wandering my local shopping mall for around 20 minutes, only to be denied in curries, I ended up using good old reliable Amazon to purchase my cards. These are an RX 580, which is one of the best performing bang for your buck GPUs on the market for cryptocurrency mining. The only downside is it is quite a power hungry card of around 210 watts. To balance this out, I also got a GTX 1660 Super. Hey, what's good guys? I've got some good news and some bad news. The good news is it arrived. Special shout out to Salo Technologies for making this video possible and sending this over. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning. Look at this bad boy, GTX 1660 Super, the second card in our mining rig. What a machine, 3 fans, RGB fusion. And we've got some bad news. I tried buying a GP PCIe PCIe power cable, and they sent me this. I spent £12 on this puny little thing, and it doesn't even do what I want to do. Like, look at it. Alright, it's like, yeah, so we've got to wait another day because Amazon has next day delivery, so we should be good. I'll see you guys then. See if it turns on. It is good to be home, guys, at headquarters. I basically came home for reading week, which is a week for university students to catch up on all the lectures and missed work. I doubt I'm going to do any reading though, because I haven't missed a lecture and I have videos to edit. But anyways, I installed all the necessary drivers for my AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards. The problem was that because NVIDIA and AMD drivers clash a lot, they hate each other basically. I don't know, it could just be a marketing strategy. Anyway, the best installation was to do a complete installation for the NVIDIA drivers, because this is the graphics card which I have the HDMI cable plugged into. Thank you! Okay, postman guys, postman. So yeah, the best solution was to do a custom install for the AMD graphics card. This is actually not possible anymore unless you do it through the device manager way. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description for you to check it out. Basically this stops the audio drivers clashing. Alright, right now we are going to be installing every single cryptocurrency program, doing a comparison and finding out which one has the best yield. Let's get into it.
Cool, so after checking out a variety of cryptocurrency miners from the likes of BetaHash, Cryptex, NiceHash and Salad, I noticed that NiceHash had the best yield for multiple GPU systems. The most profitable coin was Ethereum, and the reason why I like this coin so much is because it has a lot of upward potential, being a very strong substitute to Bitcoin, which is increasing in value constantly. For each of the cryptocurrency miners, you're able to benchmark and it will automatically find the best algorithm to mine, the algorithm being just the miner pool. So I didn't actually know this, guys, but this is a little tip for you all. If you go into AMD Radeon software and change the GPU workload from graphics to compute, you'll actually get a higher hash rate and make mining more profitable. Just a little tip. Using a calculator, I would be generating around $2 including fees every time I wake up, which is really awesome. Meaning I can generate $14 a week of passive income or $700 a year. Now you're probably going to argue that it must have some wear and tear effects on the GPU. After reading an article, it turns out that it's actually less demanding than gaming. Now because gaming systems last years and years from users who are streaming and gaming, you know, every day, then I don't see there being as much substantial damage to the GPU as long as you have good airflow and a good fan system profile. I mean, temperatures are everything in this case. For my RX 580, which is the best value crypto mining card there is, it would actually take 100 days at current daily profits. I mean, these obviously could increase because the value of Ethereum could then go up. But actually, it would take 100 days to pay it off, meaning I could buy 3 RX 580s every year, and obviously I could then install them, and then I could obviously generate a higher income daily. That being said, Seller.io has the option to generate real money and not just cryptocurrency. This is actually really convenient, and it means that your earnings aren't actually susceptible to price fluctuations of the coins. Additionally, you can redeem other cool rewards, and because you're only using one GPU, I could even play games while it was doing its job. It's also really user friendly. Now, BetaHash is also a really good miner, but it's not as profitable, and let's be honest, profitability is probably the biggest factor when it comes to choosing a miner. Cryptex is also a close contender, but it actually has a lot of withdrawal fees, making it not so lucrative.
Right, thank you so much for watching. It's really good to be back uploading. I also want to give a special shout out to Salad for making this video possible. You guys are the best. I'm also going to be leaving this cryptocurrency mining rig running all year at university, and I'm going to be doing a follow-up video just to show you guys what I learnt. Also, in the next video, I'm going to be checking out cryptocurrency trading bots, and we're going to be seeing whether they're a good source of income. It's also going to be really complementary to my cryptocurrency mining rig. I'm going to be earning the coins here, and I'm going to be putting them through more work to generate an even greater return. See you guys next time.